Welcome to Crossroads over the stream, a collaborative and fun activity designed to enhance teamwork, communication, and intercultural understanding. Let's explore how you and your team can bridge the divide and build something extraordinary together. The activity begins by dividing participants into two groups, each representing a village on opposite sides of a great river. Each village is tasked with building one half of a bridge to connect the two sides. The bridge must be sturdy enough to support a glass of water when assembled. Each group is provided with building materials and 20 minutes to complete their half of the bridge. Communication between villages is restricted to nonverbal gestures until migrant roles come into play. Here's how the activity works. Each village works in its designated area, building their half of the bridge using the provided materials. 3 times during the 20 minutes, the facilitator will send 2 participants from each group to the other village. These participants become migrants. Migrants cannot speak at first. They can only use gestures to communicate with their new village. When a new migrant arrives, the earlier migrant may begin verbal communication, symbolizing their adaptation to the new culture. Once the time is up, the 2 groups come together to connect their halves of the bridge, ensuring it is sturdy and aligned. When both sides are ready, the 2 groups collaborate to join their halves into a complete bridge. The final test? Placing a glass of water in the middle to ensure the bridge is strong and stable. Success comes from teamwork, patience, and creative problem solving. After the activity, take time to reflect as a group. Here are some questions to guide your discussion. How did it feel to work with your peers and overcome challenges? What did you learn about teamwork and communication? How did you adapt to the role of a migrant in a new village? Why is collaboration so important, especially when bridging differences? Encourage everyone to share their thoughts, including any difficulties they faced and ideas for improvement. Thank you for participating in Crossroads Over the Stream. Together, you've shown how collaboration can overcome any divide. Now, take what you've learned into the real world and continue to build bridges wherever you go.